Recording, and let's do it. You guys kind of built a little tier list for me with this draft. It's kind of nice. That went by pretty quick. Thought it was pretty easy. I know some of the drafts have taken a lot longer, but obviously if you have more people, it's going to take longer too. But okay, we're recording. I'm going to go for it. Good luck. We got Mike with the Red Sox, White Sox, and the Angels. Eli with the Tigers, Cardinals, Braves. Brent with the Pirates, Dodgers, Giants. Whoa, hit my camera. Brian with the Diamondbacks, Marlins, Royals. Josh with the Rays, Rangers, Padres, Reds, Indians, Astros. Steve, the Mariners, Twins, Jays. Brent with the Nationals, Yankees, Cubs. Paul with the Orioles, Brewers, Mets. And Brady with the Rockies, Phillies, and Athletics. That's a little better. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Let's do it. I just moved the mic down a little bit more. Can you still hear me fine?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. Pack number 1. We got some decent cards in the last one. So we'll see what we get here. Kevin Alcantara, Wes Kath, Vargas, Pagango, Rodriguez Cruz, Ibarra, first Bowman Chrome, Michael Harris, Adrian Del Castillo, first Bowman Chrome, Gavin Williams, Doug McKenzie, and our first Ray Wave is a Brock Salvage for the Yankees, first Bowman Chrome. It's a nice one there. Brent for your Yankees.
Yep.
Chase McDermott, first Bowman Chrome Refractor for the Astros. Acosta, Cal Conley first, Micabel, Merrill, Hernandez. Riley Green on the back. Arroyo, Peguero, Tyler Black. I think he's a first rounder for the Brewers. Ottenbrett, Hoagland, Basabe. First one for the Tigers, Tyler Madison. And a Blaze Jordan for the Red Sox. And another Blaze Jordan. This is the thicker card stock Invicta. We got one for the Red Sox the last time, but it's a thick old card. Pretty cool. And a Joe Mack draft night for the Marlins. Pineda Refractor, Jackson Wolf, Pena, Norby, Smith, and Riley Green. Pack number 3. Ronnie Mauricio, Cauley, Rodriguez, Petty, Chen, Hamill, Bowman Chrome of Herrera, Brennan Davis, Palavas, and our second Ray Wave is an Angel Martinez for the Cleveland Guardians. Shalon Polanco, refractor Do you guys know if there's like variations? I don't know if that's. I mean, I haven't really looked into it too much, but I mean, a lot of them are action shots, but that one was kind of, I don't know. Acuna, Villares, Thomas, Mace, and Martinez. Brent, have you looked into that at all or no? Povich, Michael Harris, Kellington, Soderstrom, Trimble first, Tristan Cass. We got a Jaden Hill first Bowman Chrome, Mason Black first Bowman Chrome, and this is a sky blue of Gavin Williams first Bowman Chrome for the Indians or the Guardians. He's a first round pick, so that's a nice one. And a Marcelo Mayer. There we go. So I didn't save the other ones, but for the Red Sox, nice one there. Our refractor is a Correa. Tiedemann, this guy again, Goodman, Zalava, and Jordan Walker. Fifth pack. Mazzucato, that guy, Heston Kjerstad, Joe Rock, Luciano, move these over here, Hajar, Robert Paulson, Bowman Chrome, Denzel Clark, first Bowman Chrome, Alex Benelis, first Bowman Chrome, and a Ray Wave, Jordan Lawler. There we go. Diamondbacks, Ryan Driscoll, and that's a nice one behind it. That's a pretty big hit. Probably, I don't know, right now, probably like $50. I don't know. I think I looked up the Henry Davis, and it was about a $50 card, the Ray Wave of it, so I'm sure this one's probably right up there. Where's my stand? And Ty Madden, first Bowman Chrome refractor. It's a nice one. Let me sleeve up these other ones real quick, just while I'm in the sleeving mood. Or at least the other first Brock of this Ray Wave. Okay, last couple. Brady House. It's a good name right there. Logan Henderson, Chad Dallas, Pinellas, and Ivan Herrera. Sixth pack. Benny Montgomery, one of the top names. Bruns, Freddie Valdez, Francisco Alvarez, Ryan Holgate, Bobby Witt Jr., Asa Lacy for the Royals, and is this another sky blue? Joe Rock. I believe this is sky blue, just like the other one. There's for the Rockies. Joe Rock for the Rockies. And right after that, Marcelo Mayer. And actually another one right after. So that's a nice one for the Red Sox. Mike, probably happy you took the Red Sox first, huh? So far, at least. Mayer and McDonough, franchise features. So that's a nice one right there. 2 in a row. And a Brooks Goswin wine. First Bowman Chrome refractor for the White Sox. Another one for Mike. Sean Burke. Urbina. McDermott. Williams. And Cespedes. Yolicki. I think that's his name. Or how you say it. Jake Fox. Jordan Adams. Hugh Beck. Lonnie White Jr. Adley Rushman. Spencer Schwallenbach. This guy grew up probably like 15 minutes away from me. High school. Kind of cool. Garrett Mitchell. Mason Miller first. Jordan Villarez. And our next Ray Wave is an Asa Lacy. Top prospect for the Royals. Which is, who's that? It's got the Royals. Brian. Someone there. Refractor, Denzel Clark. First Bowman Chrome refractor. This one there for the A's. Last pick in the draft, Brady. Vera, Kai Bush, Elliot Ramos, Noah Miller, and Ed Howard. 3 packs remain. Eduardo Garcia, Dante Williams, McGreevy, Austin Martin for the Twins now instead of the Blue Jays. Correa, Shaylin Polanco. So I was wrong earlier. That's just his actual photo. Jeremy De La Rosa, Adel Amador. Oh, I don't even know. I feel like I'm opening soccer cards on some of these guys' names. Brendan Beck, first Bowman Chrome. Oh, yeah, this might not be an O, but, well, it's a good name, though. For some reason, I thought it was going to be an autograph or something, but for the Mets, who's got the Mets? Ronnie Mauricio, Green, Paul, second to last pick in the draft. How about that, Paul? Not too shabby.
I like him.
Yeah, it's pretty good. There we go. Big hit number 2. Jeter Downs. Pick these up. Jeter Downs refractor. Carter Jensen. Nick Gonzalez. Nick Hazy. Lyle. And Novelli Marte. Top prospect. 2 packs left. Got a lot of the big names so far. Except for Jackson Jobe and Davis, obviously. Looks like we got another numbered card in here. Carreras, Pache, I don't even know. I should know how to say that guy's name since he's a Tiger, but Brett Beatty, Joe Mack, Martinez, and this is just a, oh, nope, it's numbered. 499, Andrew Abbott for the Reds, which is Josh Herrera. Throw this in the sleeve. And the top loader. There we go, Josh. Still numbered to 499, Andrew Abbott. He was a second rounder, 53rd overall by the Reds. Got some more fun stuff in this pack. Basabe, Jordan Walker, Genesis of Chase Petty, and a Ray Wave, Connor Norby. And a Jason Dominguez right behind it. Connor Norby for the Orioles, which is Paul. Position player, first Bowman Chrome. He's a second-round draft pick. Not too bad. And right behind him, refractor Jason Dominguez. Garrett Mitchell, Denzel Clark, first Bowman, Pineda, Castillo, and Precadio. I don't know how to say that guy's name. Last pack. I think this is about how many like parallels we had the last time too. We had like 2 numbered cards, I believe. Maybe it was 3, but they must put the same amount in every light box at least. C.J. Abrams. The other one was a McCade Brown. Gosween, Gray, Max Meyer, Encarnacion Strad. Our Bowman Chromes are Jose Salas, Carter Jensen, first Bowman, Ricky Tiedemann. Look at that hair on that guy. And Reginald Picardo, same guy again. And Chase Petty, refractor. Ty Madden, first Bowman. Robert Paulson, Andrew Abbott, Matthew Nelson, and Wilman Diaz. So let me run through these little recap for us. Blaze Jordan, Invicta, Chase Petty, refractor, Jason Dominguez, refractor, Connor Norby, Ray Wave, Denzel Clark, first Bowman, Chrome, refractor, Asa Lacy, Ray Wave, Brooks Goswin, refractor, first Bowman, Marcelo Mayer, 2 cards in a row here, draft night and the other one, Joe Rock, Sky Blue, first Bowman, Brock Selvage, first Bowman Chrome, Ray Wave, Chase McDermott, refractor, first Bowman Chrome, Joe Mack, draft night, Angel Martinez, Ray Wave, Marcelo Mayer, Genesis, Gavin Williams, first Bowman Sky Blue, I believe, and a Ty Madden, first refractor. And then our 3 probably bigger hits, Andrew Abbott, first Bowman out of 499, and a Ronnie Mauricio green, numbered to 99, 29 of 99 for the Mets. And then the Jordan Lawler, first Bowman Chrome, Ray Wave for Brian. So, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you again. You guys are awesome, filling this so fast. I got some cool stuff on the way. Obviously, Bowman's Best still on the way too. Hopefully coming next week, I guess. So, and
Thanks, Chad.
Some other cool stuff. Yep. Thanks, Paul. See you guys.